Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Zen Cart on CentOS 7 using LEMP. Zen Cart is an online store management system which was written in PHP and uses MySQL or MariaDB database and HTML components. Zen Cart truly is a free, user-friendly and open source shopping cart software. The basic requirements is to have LEMP setup, that is Nginx, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for Zen Cart. User product via password and version of PHP should be above 7. Now switch to your terminal. First go to the official website of Zen Cart and get the package link for downloading it. Paste it on your terminal and download it with the help of wget command. After downloading it, extract the package using unzip. Move your Zen Cart directory towards the document root of Nginx. Now go to the document root of Nginx. And provide owner permission and file execution permission for this directory path. Now provide owner permission and file execution permission for this directory path. Next, open your PHP FPM configuration file. And edit the following changes. Change this as Nginx. Similarly, uncomment this and change it as Nginx. Similarly, change for user. From Apache to Nginx. And group. As Nginx. Now save your changes and start your PHP FPM service. Provide owner permission for your PHP FPM configuration file. Now restart it. Now open your Nginx configuration file. Enter your configuration inside this. Provide your server name as your domain name or your IP. And your CJ location. Save your configuration and restart your Nginx service. Now open your browser and enter your machine's IP address. Now click here for installation. Click continue. Provide your license agreement and click continue. Check for the prerequisites and click install. Enter your database username followed by its password and the name of your database, and click the save database settings. And this is your default URL of your site. If you want to provide your SSL settings, provide, else click save system settings. Just for sample, I'm giving it as store owner. Provide your country, select your time zone, enter your store name and address, provide your default currency, temporary password, followed by the admin email ID. And click this. When everything is fine, click here to go to your store and click here to go to open your admin area. It will demand you to delete your installation folder and rename your admin folder. For that, switch to your terminal. Remove your installation folder and rename your admin folder as. Now you can log in into your browser. Zen Cart to view your site and Zen Cart admin my site to enter into your admin login. Change your temporary password for security purpose. Provide a new password. And this is how you can open your admin login. And thus we have installed Zen Cart on CentOS 7 using LEMP. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.